Hey guys, welcome to Pregnancy and Postpartum TV. Today we're doing an advanced postpartum ab workout for toning and definition. So if you have diastasis recta or you're newly postpartum, this isn't the best video for you. I'm going to link to my whole diastasis recti healing playlist. I also have a course that walks you through step-by-step for 30 days on how to heal your core. Link to those below. I will give a few modifications. Watch your core, make sure you're not getting any coning or doming down your midline, especially if you're in that first 12 months postpartum. Of course, I will keep making pregnancy and postpartum workouts every week. If you like videos like these, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, remember when we are breathing into your ribs, 360 degrees all the way around, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Exhale. You can blow out and everything pulls in, ribs come down as if a corset is tightening around you. So we're not sucking in at our belly button, we're going, everything is coming in and up. We can get carefully down on our sides. We will start on our back. Exhale, let's bring our knees up. And you have the option here of also bringing your shoulders gently off the ground. And then we are going to extend as we exhale. Coming back up, getting ready. We'll alternate legs. Exhale, bring it back in. Good. We can release down, take a breath, and then we're going to do the same thing, but double pulse our leg. Getting ready, and pulse, pulse up. And exhale as if you're blowing through a straw, can activate your core more. Beautiful. We can put one foot down on the ground, and then we're going to exhale, bring it up, and then bring it across. Switching to the other side, take a big breath into your ribs. This allows your core to stay engaged. Lift, cross, beautiful. Release down, bring your heels in. We're going to do a penguin crunch here, reaching. We can lift our shoulders up, exhale, and then reaching to either side. Focusing on engaging our core. Releasing down. From here, we're going to move into a TA, transverse abdominal crunch. You can bring your hands up behind your head. We're going to exhale, contract our TA. So just coming up a little bit. Last exercise on our backs. Exhale, bring your knees up, or you can have them at a diagonal. Lift off, pulsing here. Bringing your core in. Good, release. Let's stretch out for a second here before we come up onto all fours. Taking big breath into our side ribs. Good, we can roll over onto our side. Coming to all fours. Let's tuck our toes under. We're going to lift our knees off, hover and pulse, engaging your core. You can set up, pulse here. Releasing down, we're going to come all the way down to the ground. Place our forearms on the ground, and then we're going to lift from our belly, come into a modified plank, lowering down, using our core to lift up to our plank. Exhale as we come up. Release down and take a big breath. We're going to hold for the next 30 seconds, lifting up into our modified plank, holding here. Forearms pressing into the ground. The work is coming from your core here. Beautiful. Release. We're going to flip over on our side here for some hip dips. Lining your elbow, hips, and knee up. You can straighten your top leg. Dipping down. Re-engaging the core. And then the lift coming from underneath. Release down, take a breath. We'll set up again. Top arm goes up. Exhale, reaching through. Good.
You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you
Release down. We'll come all the way down to the ground. Bring your knees to a 90 degree. We're going to do an oblique crunch here. So we're going to have a line going through our body, lifting our chin towards that. You can even reach your bottom hand to feel your obliques.
yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws.
Beautiful. Let's switch to the other side for our hip dips.
Better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead.
Last one. Release down, take a breath.
'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just
Setting up again. Re-engaging your core. Exhale, reaching through. Keeping your hips high. Releasing down, setting up for your oblique crunches, lifting up, straight diagonal through your body. Good, release down. Let's stretch it out again. You did amazing. Bring one knee up, do a gentle twist here.
What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection.
Moving to the other side.
It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're
Bring
dreamers.
it back through center. We can come up to our seated position.
We come alive.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love to know what you think in the comments below. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me decide on what types of videos to make more of. And of course, I will keep making pregnancy and postpartum workouts every week. If you like videos like these, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this out with another mom friend that you think would enjoy it. If you haven't seen my postpartum weekly challenge, I will link to it there as well in the description box below. And I will have more challenges coming up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.